Hello everyone, my name is Solomon King. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to take time and show you how you can place a limit order on Binance futures market. So when you are executing your trades in the futures market, entering a trade with a limit order is one of the ways you can get the best price that you desire, because most of the times when you are entering your trades using the market order that is executing at the market price, you may encounter slippage. If you don't know what slippage is the difference between your executed price and then where the price is executed. Assuming you saw price right here, as you can see price going up and down, you saw price at 1368, that is Ethereum USDT, and then before you finish executing and then your order get filled, the price shifted from this price and then moved to another level, and then that is where your price is executed because the market is active. So that is one of the challenges you encounter whenever you're executing your trades at the market price. But when you are entering a trade using the limit order, it will actually enter without any slippage. That is exactly where price will fill you in the market. So this is exactly what I want to show you. If you have never used the buy limit or the sell limit, I will actually show you how to go about that in a simple tutorial. So if you're coming across this video for the first time, you probably have not watched the beginning of this particular playlist. Everything that we have discussed in this particular course is for the beginner in the futures market. So this is mastering Binance futures trading. Everything you want to know about trading in the futures is discussed right here. I've taken every single topic step by step, trying to show you how to go about that so that you can also become a professional trader in your trading journey. So coming back to this place, I will go ahead and place a limit order for you so that you can see. So right up here, to access your limit order, you can find it highlighted in this particular yellow color, and then right here you have market order, and then you have other kinds of orders such as stop limit, stop market, trailing stop. I've discussed trailing stop actually in the previous video. The video is displayed right here on the screen. Go ahead and click on it to learn about trailing stop, and then the post only. So I will show you everything about this subsequently in this particular course, but in today's video I will be sticking to the limit order. So let's go into it without further ado. So right here, this is Ethereum against USDT. I want to start by placing a buy limit. So we have limit here, and then we have buy. So when you are taking a buy limit, it's called a buy limit. And what that means is that whenever you see price, when we say price, this is price. You see where this particular active price is, that is your price. Whenever you see price actively in that position, and then you are thinking this is a support level, and then up here is a resistance level. Usually we will want to predict what this particular trade will do, and then usually price will just decide to go down and then hit this support level right here. This is a support level, and then from here down here, this is where price has been bouncing, and you want to enter your trade right here. You probably don't want to be close to your screen, or even if you are there, you may not be able to know when price will actually come down here. So you will like to use the buy limit whenever you're placing your order below price. When I say below price, this is price, and then below price, this is below price, down to where price is. You can use the buy limit, because buy is simply you predicting that market will go up, and then the limit is that whenever this trade comes down to this level, this is the limit I want it to stop, and then have it move up to this level or wherever you want to take your trades. Let me remove every single drawing here so that it will not be rowdy. Now I'll go ahead and place my trade and then show you how this works. So right here, if I take my crosshair, let me take the crosshair and then I will show you. If I place my crosshair down to this level, you can actually see where I want to enter trade. You can see 1319, that is 1319 right here, and that is where I want to execute my buy limit. So when I come here, right here, this is where I want to put my price. I will just go ahead and put 1317. That is exactly where I want price to be executed, right here around this level. So when price reach this level, around this level, I want it to just execute my buy, which means I want to see price going up to this level. So it's 1317, and then the next thing is to allocate the amount I want to see executed in this price. I want to allocate like 200 USDT for this. So right now I'll just go ahead and click buy limit. So right here, order submitted. When you scroll down, you can actually see it where open orders are. When you click on open orders, you can see Whenever price comes down to 13.17, it will be executed, and then I will be in the buy order. This order will be shifted to my open position. So when price comes down and hit this level where I entered, it will start going up according to my prediction. Don't forget that this is not a certainty. Price can decide to keep going, which means you are in loss in that particular trade. But if you are very sure that your price will keep going up, that is when you can execute your trade below price. And then likewise, when you are using the sell limit, the sell limit is almost the same thing, but in this case, you are saying, I don't want to see price go above this level, which is my resistance level. And I'm predicting that whenever price comes to this level, it will just hit this level that I executed and then start coming down. So that is when I will use my sell limit, which is you placing a trade above price. You now see below price is here, above price is here. So I'll go ahead and click on my sell limit now and execute my trade. So right here, the price, if I take my cross here and come to this level where I want to execute trade, is around 1403, and that is where I want the sell order to be executed, which means I want to see price starts coming down. So I would simply come here to this place and then execute my trade. So I will go ahead and put the price, which is 1403. You can see right here, and then I will allocate the same amount for that, and then simply click on sell stop. Then you will see order submitted. If you scroll down, you can see this is for the sell limit, and this right here is the buy limit. You're placing an order above price. I'll go ahead and cancel all these ones so that I can show you other ways you can use the limit order. So assuming I want to enter a trade and then I want to enter it at market price, if I go back and take my arrow, I want to enter it at market price, which means my price will be filled in at the market price, that particular price. This is where my position will be executed. So if I come here and just put the size, let's say I want to use 1,000 or $100 right here is equivalent to this amount of ETH, and then click on buy. If I click on buy, which is predicting that this particular market will keep going up right here, I want to see it keep going up. When I scroll down where you can see it in position, I'm actively in the market. Right here, you can see that I'm already in the market. And then if I want to close my trade, I can simply use take profit, which is saying that I want to close my trade right above this level, which is this level. When price reaches this level, it should just close my trade. So you simply will come to where you can see sell limit. Remember, we said we want to use sell limit and place it above price, which is above price. So we come to where we see limit, and then we can simply come here and place our trade, which is around 1400, which is 1400. Now this is where we want to see our sell limit being executed, and then we allocate the same amount that we actually entered right there. We click on sell order. It will just go ahead and put our trade in that sell order. So right here you can see the order. The moment price reaches that level, to this level, it will activate this particular sell limit, and then that means our position will be closed, because whenever you open a sell position when you are already in a buy position, the sell position will automatically close. It's like your take profit, and vis-a-vis if you are doing the same thing when it is coming down. Likewise for the buy limit, when you see price coming down or you executed a trade and entered at the market price, and then you want to see price come down to this level. If I take my arrow to this level, I entered my position right here, and then I want to see price come down to this level. I can use the buy limit as my take profit right here. I can simply use buy limit, which is around 1314, and I will come here and say 1314, and I will allocate some amount and then simply click on buy limit. So my order has been filled right here. You can see both of them, so I can simply cancel all of them. So these are basically the ways you can use your buy and sell limit in an active market. Let me delete everything right here. I hope you are understanding how to use your buy and sell limit. It gives you a better price whenever you are entering your trades, and then you have access to make more profit. So another thing you should notice is that if I'm entering trade below price right here, which is around 13.45, that is the price right here. If I'm entering my trade right here and then I made mistake and executed my trade above this level right here, let's say this is what I chose, 13.83 instead of this, and then I'm using the buy limit, which is supposed to be below price, and then I'm activating it above price, it will automatically activate it at the market price, because the market price is a better price than this. Let me show you what I mean. If I wanted to execute at this level, which is 1340 something, and then I made mistake and open my trade above price, let's say 1383, that is the price right here. If I just simply click on 1383 and then use buy limit instead of sell limit, because usually I will use sell limit above price, I will click on buy limit, you can actually see that it has filled me in the position right here. It is not above here because I'm using buy limit, which is usually supposed to be below price, and then I made mistake and use it above price. It opened my position at the market price because market price is better than this. So likewise, when you do it for the opposite way, it will open it at the best price, that is your market price. So I hope this is explanatory enough for you to understand how a buy limit and then a sell limit operates. So guys, this is all about this video. I will explain the rest of the others in other videos so that you know how to execute your trades using the limit order. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.